Hi guys, today is Sunday the 14th of April, and believe it or not, we're having another snow blizzard. It just started snowing a half hour ago. Nothing's accumulating yet. We're supposed to get up from 3 to 5 inches of snow today. And for April, I can't believe this. More snow. Anyways, with it snowing out, Maya's just laying here on the pillow, looking out the window. Actually looking through the headboard out the window, watching it snow. Yeah, what is that stuff, Maya? What is that white stuff? Maya? You're just gonna lay there and watch it snow. Maya? Anyways, taking a look out the front door. Actually standing outside. And it's really snowing heavily. Snow's starting to accumulate on the car already. Accumulating on the porch swing. And accumulating on the grill. I can't believe this. Another snow blizzard. And the wind is really starting to whip up. I'm going in. Okay, taking another look out the window within 30 minutes. And this is how much snow that we have gotten. For Sunday, April 14th. Just can't believe we're getting more snow. And Mr. Squirrel just ran across the fence a few minutes ago before I recorded this video. So I'm sure the squirrel went in to take cover from the snow. Okay, taking another... Anyways, taking another look outside within 30 minutes, and this is how much snow we have gotten already. For Sunday, April 14th, can't believe we're having another snow blizzard. And again, we're supposed to get from 3 to 5 inches. Snow on the grass, snow on the car, and the snow just rolled off the hood of the car a minute ago. Snow on the van, the porch swing, and on the grill. Can't believe that we're having another snow blizzard. And the snow is very wet, heavy, and slippery. And this wet snow is literally turning to ice as I walk on it. Anyways, I'm going in.